This article is from webmd.com, and the category is mental health reference. What is Gestalt Therapy? Medically reviewed by Smitha Bandari, MD, medical doctor, on May 15th, 2023. Written by WebMD editorial contributors. 4-minute read. I guess it will be like a 20-minute read since I'm not a native speaker. I am pure Korean and I work for Korea Telecom KT, the number one carrier in Korea. I want to work overseas or at least in a department where I use my English to interact with global customers or foreign telecom companies, or venture out overseas and build our own business and be cooperative with foreign partners and be mutually successful, a win-win situation maker. That has nothing to do with this story, but I am also Avatar. I finished the Avatar course in 1996, but I've never made Avatar Master yet, but I'm still struggling with my emotions, physical symptoms, and I got to know Gestalt Therapy recommended by my Avatar Master, and I've read the book almost, and there are about 30 pages more to go, then I would be done with a very thick book. The reason I'm trying to read this article is to be more knowledgeable about Gestalt Therapy as a summary note, and also to practice English by reading an English article each day to practice speaking and also picking up some cliches, expressions, or words that I deem are quite useful. So here we go. Gestalt Therapy is, by the way, I've never read this article before. I usually try to read an article that I've never read before, so that there could be ups and downs and surprises, hidden misses that I made mistake. So here we go. Gestalt therapy is a form of psychotherapy that is centered on increasing a person's awareness, freedom, and self-direction. It's a form of therapy that focuses on the present moment rather than past experiences. I think past experiences are also good. You can work on the past experiences and feel how they feel. Gestalt therapy is based on the idea that people are influenced by their present environment. Each individual works to achieve personal growth and balance. Gestalt therapy focuses on the use of empathy and unconditional acceptance. This helps individuals get rid of distress by learning influence. Gestalt therapy focuses on each individual works to achieve personal growth and balance. Gestalt therapy focuses on the use of empathy and unconditional acceptance. This helps individuals get rid of distress by learning how to trust and accept what they feel. The concept of Gestalt therapy. The word Gestalt is a German term with no direct English translation. It generally means a whole or form. It's an idea that views every individual as a blend of the mind, emotions, body, and soul with unique experiences and realities. Mind, soul, emotions, and body. In practice, psychology professionals apply this concept by helping people concentrate on what's happening in their lives at the present moment rather than focus on their present experiences. Gestalt therapy puts the focus on the here and now. Here and now is a very common word that is used in the psychotherapy, meditation, and consciousness development. Through Gestalt therapy, individuals are able to develop new perspectives and bring positive changes into their lives. They can do this because Gestalt therapy promotes increased self-awareness and a clear understanding of thoughts, emotions, and behavior. What disorders can be treated using Gestalt therapy? Since its introduction, Gestalt therapy has become a proven and effective therapeutic approach in addressing and treating different mental health conditions. Some of these conditions include anxiety, behavioral health issues, depression, relationship difficulties, self-esteem issues. Anxiety. Gestalt therapy helps people focus on the present. This allows individuals to discover what immediate thoughts, feelings, or behavior may make them feel anxious. Behavioral health issues. Gestalt therapy can help people with behavioral conditions like bipolar disorder. It's also an effective therapeutic method for treating substance abuse, compulsive gambling, and PTSD, post-traumatic syndrome disease. People struggling with these conditions may develop a new view on life through Gestalt therapy and may see a positive change in their lifestyles. Depression. Since Gestalt therapy focuses on self-awareness, it can help people with depression because aware of possible stressful situations that trigger their depression. Relationship difficulties. Gestalt therapy can help couples recognize underlying destructive behaviors that may be negatively impacting their relationships. This can help them work toward making positive changes in their relationship and individual lifestyles. Self-esteem issues. Gestalt therapy helps people with low self-esteem identify and overcome underlying factors that contribute to their low self-esteem. Gestalt therapy techniques. The different Gestalt therapy techniques involve a series of experiments and exercises. Therapy can be done individually or in a group setting. Exercises and experiments help individuals increase their awareness and understanding of the here and now. Different techniques of Gestalt therapy work differently for different individuals, different people, different folks, different strokes. Since everyone's past experiences are unique, here are examples of the different Gestalt therapy techniques. Paradoxical change. The theory of a paradoxical change focuses on the need for self-acceptance. It helps individuals develop an improved sense of self-awareness. When an individual makes peace with who they are as a person, it helps them live in the present. This results in more positive feelings and mood. Here and now. This technique enables individuals to appreciate past experiences, how they influence their present thoughts and behavior. By being conscious of internal factors that influence their present lives, individuals can learn to let go of the past. This helps them focus on the here and now. The objective of this technique is to help them live for the present and make positive changes going forward. Empty chair technique. This technique helps individuals to open up and practice talking with an empty chair. The goal of this technique is to visualize yourself opening up to a particular person you needed to talk with. When you open up as if the person was sitting there listening, the therapeutic experience of opening up sets the stage for healing. Exaggeration technique. This technique works by making an individual become aware of underlying issues that could be linked to their present problem. The therapist may request you to exaggerate a specific behavior or emotion. This helps in identifying and addressing the root of the problem. Suggested questions. Benefits of Gestalt Therapy. Gestalt therapy is a comprehensive therapeutic method that gives long-lasting benefits to an individual's mind, emotions, body, and spirit. Common benefits of Gestalt therapy include, but are not limited to, increased self-awareness, improved self-confidence, ability to make peace with the past, and an improved sense of acceptance, increased ability to deal and cope with stressful situations, being more responsible, improved ability to own up for mistakes and behaviors without placing blames. The only limitation of Gestalt therapy is that it may not help with the psychological effects of hereditary behaviors. Rather, neither does it help with the psychological factors that are not influenced by an individual's thoughts. However, it is an effective therapeutic treatment option for several addiction problems and mental health conditions. Really. So from this article, I cannot remember expressions, words, cliches that I would like to remember, except here and now. Exaggeration technique, benefits of Gestalt therapy, self-confidence, self-awareness, deal, cope, placing, empty chair, and so on. But it was just simple summary of what Gestalt can do and what it is about and what kind of treatments are there and what kind of actions you need to take during the therapy sessions or some other issues. As always, I really appreciate WebMD's effort to have the basic psychological and medical information known, publicized to people around the world. I really appreciate WebMD. You are doing a good job, but I prefer the Avatar course over Gestalt therapy. But for the common lay people, Gestalt therapy may be a stepping stone toward the Avatar course. So going forward was another expression that I learned, I deemed worth of memorizing one more time. I know the expression already, but I want to remind myself of the expression one more time. Thanks for listening and take care and bye-bye. Have a wonderful Wednesday, hump day.